Hey, what's up, Samuel Leeds? Listen, on this video, I'm just gonna say it as it is. I'm gonna say some stuff that I've been advised not to say. I'm gonna say some stuff that's gonna. Last time I said this, it resulted in the video getting taken down very quickly, and it caused a bit of a crash. But listen, right now we're in lockdown. Right now, people are worried. People are scared. Listen, what does Warren Buffett say? What does Robert Kiyosaki say? What do the guys say? They say, when everybody's scared, that's when you should be greedy. So it's freaking my brains out why I'm seeing so many professional property investors that are scared right now. You should not be scared when people are scared. This is when you should be being greedy. Right now is an absolutely crazy epidemic going on. But do you know what's happening? People are selling their houses off 20, 30, 40% below market value. I secured very recently during lockdown from my house, I secured a lease option agreement. I've been packaging and selling deals. People in China are dumping money into the UK right now, cash. Banks aren't lending, but the banks have got more money than they've had in absolute years. Interest rates are lower than they've been in hundreds of years. And when the banks have got no money, that's when credit crunch has happened. Right now, the banks have got money. Listen, man, honestly, I'm stuck at home. I'm not enjoying being stuck at home, but I'll tell you something, I'm making money and I'm doing deals. I'm documenting it. So here's what I'm gonna say, which is absolutely crazy. I can't run crash courses right now. I can't run events right now. The training that I love doing has had to stop. My Winners Wednesday students that I had lined up until June, I can't meet them, I can't record with them. And normally what happens is people come to the crash course and then they go and do the deal finding extravaganza. They do never use your own money again. They pay thousands of pounds for my training programs, and that is what then makes them financially free. It just is. So I'm going to do something insane right now, and that's this. Crash course, property investors crash course. I've put the crash course online. I put it online about 2 weeks ago, and so many people went on the website, it crashed, I closed it off. The deal finding extravaganza, £3,000 program. £3,000. Hundreds and hundreds of people have paid £3,000 for the deal finding extravaganza. I've put that online. $995. Never use your own money again program. Never use your own money again. Talking about lease option agreements, specifically lease option agreements right now are a really powerful weapon. Never use your own money again program. £3,000 program. $995 online. The whole program is online right now. So here's what I'm going to do. Crash course. Advanced training, never use your own money again, deal finding extravaganza. I'm making it available. This is the thing I get in trouble with. This is the thing that brings crashes on the websites. All those training programs, the advanced training, plus some coaching right now, for those that register right now, is going to be £1. £1 friggin' pound. So £1, you get access to the online property investors crash course. You get access to the deal finding extravaganza. Hundreds of people have paid thousands of pounds for the training. You get access to the never use your own money again program, all for £1. 2 weeks to absolutely consume the content and go crazy. Over those 2 weeks, while you're doing the training, I will also be there to coach you. We're going to be doing a webinar every Wednesday. So for the next 2 Wednesdays, for the pound, I'll coach you, answer questions that you've got. You'll join the Samuel 365 community. After 2 weeks, if you want to stick around, you want to continue doing more training, you want to continue joining the webinars, £95 per month. It makes me laugh that I'm even saying this because it's insane. But here's my absolute mission. It's not to make loads of money. My absolute mission is to have financial independence for my family and is to help other people do the same thing. Right now, I know people are struggling during lockdown. People are losing their jobs. People haven't got money. People are struggling. I want my training to be accessible to people. I know people haven't got thousands of pounds right now to spend on training. I know people right now can't physically come to an event. That's what I'm saying. £1, training, get to talk to me, do some Q&As. Do it with the link below right now, because I'll tell you something, the website's going to crash again. When it does, what we're going to do as soon as it starts going slow is poof, we're going to have to turn it off. Last time I was getting absolutely harassed for days, hundreds of people saying, why have you turned it off? Why have you turned it off? I can't do it. I want to pay my pound, man. I want to pay my pound, man. And they couldn't because I had to close it. So if you're watching this video right now, click on the link below, pay your pound, start the training. Let's do this. Let's build financial independence for our families, and let's make the most of this situation right now. Rather than bitching and moaning and making excuses while everyone's scared, we should, as far as business people are concerned, this is when we need to go in. I made most of my money and did the best deals that I've done just after the 2008 recession. That's when I went in and got the best deals. Right now, the best deals are happening, but you need to know what to do. £1, click on the link, let's do this.